Tired of that low Capital One credit limit? Want to make a big purchase, but your card says no? Or maybe you just want to improve your credit utilization and your score along with it. If any of that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. We're breaking down exactly how to get a credit limit increase with Capital One and how to get it fast. And the best part? It's not as complicated as you might think. First, let's talk about the quickest way. The fastest path to a higher limit is often to simply ask for it. Capital One makes this incredibly easy, and it won't trigger a hard inquiry on your credit report, which means no temporary ding to your score just for asking. You can request an increase directly through the Capital One mobile app or by logging into your account online. Look for an option like Request a Credit Limit Increase under your card's account settings. When you make the request, they'll ask you to confirm some information, like your current income. This is a crucial step. If your income has gone up since you first applied for the card, make sure you update it. This is one of the most important factors Capital One considers. While some requests can be approved instantly, for others, you might need to wait up to a few days. So what else can you do to improve your chances of getting that yes? The single most important thing is to prove you're a responsible borrower. This means making your payments on time, every single time. And while you're at it, try to pay more than just the minimum due. Paying off your full balance each month is the gold standard and will show Capital One that you're capable of handling more credit. Another key factor is your credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Experts recommend keeping this number below 30%. For example, if you have a $1,000 limit, try to keep your balance below $300. By keeping your utilization low, you signal to Capital One that you manage your credit well and could handle a higher limit without overspending. Finally, just be patient. For new accounts, Capital One often automatically reviews your account for an increase after about 6 months of good behavior. And if your request is denied, don't worry. Capital One will often send a letter explaining why. Take that as a roadmap for what to improve, and then try again in a few months. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.